Hey guys, today we're going to color some eggs just in time for Easter. And if you are interested in more arts and crafts how-tos, be sure to subscribe because we have more on the way.
Today we're going to show you how to dye eggs in a couple different ways. We're going to start with the traditional method of tablets first. Of course, when you're dyeing eggs, you need eggs. Do make sure that they are hard-boiled before you go about dyeing them with whatever method you're using. Here we have tablets, and I'm just going to drop, drop, drop. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to put 1 tablespoon of vinegar in each mug. So because we have 6 tablets, we are going to do this 6 times. And we're going to let the tablets dissolve in the vinegar. So now we're going to wait a couple minutes and listen to this joyful chorus of sizzling tablets. The water should be room temperature, and our handy dandy kit says that we should pour a ½ cup into each mug.
Oh god, just let her pour into the cup.
Okay, so we're just gonna pour straight in.
And this is why you have paper towels on hand. And you should probably use like a measuring cup and put water in it.
We have our pot of a dozen hard-boiled eggs. We are going to take our giant spoon and scoop them out so that we can then submerge them in one of our mugs. So I want to go for a pink egg. So don't just drop it and let it plunk. Be gentle with it. Get it in. Let it mix a little bit.
Do green egg. Green is awesome color.
All right, and then you wait a couple of minutes for the dye to go onto the egg. The longer you leave the egg in, the deeper the color is going to be. So if you want more of a light color, then you should take it out a little earlier. If you want a deeper color, leave it in longer. Egg kits usually come with this little wire tool so that you could get them in and out easily, and also make sure that any excess water drips off of them before you place them in here. So we're gonna try to be fancy and use this tool to retrieve our eggs instead of using the spoons that we've had so far. So I'm gonna go for this one first. There, I'm just gonna wiggle, wiggle, wiggle some stuff off.
That one we accidentally put 2 different color tablets in, just to let you know.
So that's why it looks kind of streaky. But if you like it, give it a shot yourself and let us know what cool color combinations you come up with. So I'm going to leave the egg in here to dry. Yeah.
So the next kind of coloring we're gonna do is with food dyes, and yep, get that at your grocery store. And basically what we're gonna do is give the egg the texture of the paper towel. And it kind of gives it a tie-dye type of look because you can add multiple colors. So to get started, we're gonna take our egg. And at this point, they're not scorching hot after boiling. And some say to put it in a wet vinegar or whatnot, paper towel, but I'm gonna dry the egg instead. And then I'm gonna take another paper towel, dry one, and put them in and twist it. So now he looks like a little lollipop. So I'm gonna take the dye. Here's yellow for you. And what you're gonna do is squeeze just 1 drop, and you'll see it'll expand, and you hope that it imprints onto the egg like that. And maybe that's why people put vinegar, because it'll probably stick better. What you want to make sure is that you don't put more than like 2 or 3 colors in the same spot, or else it'll mix and look a little wonky. But this is to give it the tie-dye effect. So for the thicker parts of the paper towel, it's probably not going to go through. Put your hand around this. So,
And then push it into there.
yeah. See, you want to try to have the paper towel as tight as possible.
Oops.
It's okay. Get a little bit of that paper towel texture now. And some parts it didn't go through because that's where it was a thicker paper towel. So what I would do is, since you got some wet on there, I would just dab it on. Yeah, dab. And dabbing it on, you won't get like the big gapped parts of the paper towel because you're smushing it together, but it still gives that rough look and it looks artsy. So that's how you do the tie-dye paper towel texture egg.
Okay, so now we're going to be dyeing our eggs by using an Eggmazing machine, which are really popular right now. What happens is that we put the egg in and it'll spin the egg while we use markers to make lines in them. So guys, you gotta have a really steady hand. Parents, make sure you're with your kids when they're using this machine. So Josephine's gonna go first.
Okay, how do I do this?
Place her egg, so it'd be this way.
And just leave it like that?
Yep. Here, I'm gonna give you what color you want. Pick a color.
I want the pink one.
Okay, so I'm gonna turn on the machine, and Josephine's gonna have the marker poised where she wants it. So put it down onto the egg where you want it. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, gonna need to be a little bit more steady there.
And I wanted to drag it down so that it would
Okay.
go all around the egg. I'm trying to be fancy here, but I've never
try.
done this.
We're gonna keep trying. Ready?
Yeah.
Nice! So as you can see, Josephine did this really amazing spiral around her egg, which is awesome. Now, what other colors would you like to use?
Ah, that's wicked.
That is awesome. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Ooh, accent color with that purple.
Yes.
Very nice.
Wicked!
It is very wicked. So now she has a nice spirally done egg. And these machines are often now found the same places you find any egg dyeing stuff. Very popular. This is the mini, so it's like the small portable one. So absolutely brings up your egg game for Easter.
Well, there you have it. 3 different ways to dye your eggs. You can even combine them like we did for some of them here. So this one we dyed in the mug and then put in this most wonderful machine.
And this one we did the paper towel colors imprinted, and then we put it on the
Most wonderful machine.
Eggmazing machine.
So you can get super duper creative with these. There's so many different things that you could do. You can have so much fun with it. And I hope that you give it a shot. Let us know in the comments if you are going to be dyeing eggs using some of the methods that we did, or tell us if you dye your eggs another way. Tell us what they look like. Tell us what your favorite colors are. We want to hear all about them. So thank you so much for watching. We really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel because we have a lot more super cool videos coming up soon. Thanks!